Alright, in this one, there's no calculator allowed, but you don't need one. Let's see if you can spot the pattern before I finish simplifying this. First thing I notice, every term is a power of 7. That means I can factor out 1 7 from everything. Now here's where the fun starts. Let's call what's inside the parentheses s. Watch this trick. Multiply both sides by 7. Then subtract s from 7s. See what cancels? Everything except the first and last term. So 6s equals 7 to the 5th minus 1. Then we can solve for s by dividing by 6 on each side. And now we're going to plug that right back into 7s for the original sum. All right, let's simplify that. In the interest of time, I'm going to leave the multiplication and long division up to you. Final result is 19,607. That's your clean answer, no calculator needed.